Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you how to make a curb chain. So let's start the video. This is 19 gauge, wire is 19 gauge. We are making curb chain of 20 inch. So to make 20 inch chain, we need to take 4 times the wire. So in this case, we need to take 20 into 4, that is 80 inch of wire. So right now, we are using a drawing plate to make the wire length of 80 inch. This is 23 gauge now. The final wire size is of 23 gauge, as you can see. (20 plus 20). We need more 40 inch. Another 20. We need another 20 more. Here it is. It's a total of 80 inch. We'll take little bit of extra 1 inch. Now heat the gold wire and dip it in dilute sulfuric acid. Now we need to start the shouldering process for this chain. So now apply the shouldering paste. Now the shouldering process is done. Now we need to twist all the chain links one by one. Now start hammering the chain. This ensures that all the chain links are in uniform height and looks perfect.
So here it is, the process is complete. So that's it in today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.